Hi guys, my name is Emily Merritt with Clear Lead Marketing, and I'm also a marketing strategist for Automation Ladies. And I'm going to show you how to promote an event that you've been invited to participate with Automation Ladies and their podcast, how to promote it on LinkedIn, and how to invite colleagues of yours who might be interested in the event to attend and support you and hopefully spread the word about the amazing things that you'll be talking about. When Automation Ladies post this event, they're going to create a post and tag you in it. Now it's going to look something like this on your notifications, but it's going to say Automation Ladies mentioned you in a post or a comment. So in order to continue to spread the word about this event and to get the LinkedIn algorithm warmed up, going back to this test event that I created, you want to repost and comment on these posts that mention you in it. Now, obviously, this is just a test, so it's going to say something like, 3 p.m. on Thursday, we're going to have an event. What you want to do as you want to like the post or any of the comments that they mentioned you in. You can either like it or celebrate it, something like that. Then what you'll want to do is repost it to your page. You can either repost it instantly without your thoughts, or you can repost it with your thoughts and say something like I mentioned earlier, like you're excited to talk at this time, this place with the Automation Ladies. And again, make sure to tag Automation Ladies, Nikki and Allie, because then they will interact with your post, which will then boost the algorithm. And then what you'll also want to do is comment. So you'll either want to comment like at Automation Ladies. So you just do the at symbol and click Automation Ladies, or at Nikki, or whoever it is that you'll be talking about, and then like, so excited about this, something that just shows that you're there. And what'll happen is when Automation Lady posted on their page, they're going to see that you interacted with that post, and then they're going to go onto your page and look at you and hopefully follow you. But again, this just boosts the algorithm, gets more people to see the event, and then therefore hopefully attend the event. So oftentimes Allie or Nikki will invite you to be a speaker to the event that you will be speaking to. Go ahead and accept that invitation request and confirm that you will be a speaker at this event, because it will show up on the event page. But there's 3 ways that you can share an event that you'll be speaking at with Automation Ladies. So go to the event page that you're invited to or tagged in, and obviously you're going to have a page that looks very similar to this. This is a test that I set up for Automation Ladies, but it'll look very, very similar. So there's going to be this blue share button. Go ahead and click that. And I'll show you the first way to do it, which is kind of the good old-fashioned copy and paste way, where you click this copy link button, and it will confirm that a link has been copied in the bottom right-hand screen. If you can see here, it says link copy to clipboard. And that you can then copy and paste into your messages on LinkedIn that you can send out to a group that you're part of or individuals that you know would be interested in. Or you could put it in your company's Slack channel, send out an email to friends and family, colleagues, things like that. So that's one way to share the event, manually copying and pasting the event link. Another way is to repost the event to your LinkedIn feed, which is obviously ideal because it helps promote what you'll be talking about. And so I like to do something like this Thursday at 3 p.m. CST, provide a little bit more description about what you'll be talking about, but talking with, and make sure you tag Automation Ladies. Automation Ladies, tag anybody that you will be speaking with. Also make sure that you tag Allie and Nikki, who are the event hosts who probably invited you. Make sure you go ahead and include them, because the more people that are involved in this event that you tag, they're going to see that post, interact with that post. It'll then get more boosted by the LinkedIn algorithm, and you'll be able to get more eyes on your event. Hopefully more people come and support you and hear what you guys are talking about, which is amazing, obviously. So go ahead and tag them, and then click the blue post button down below here when you're ready. You've posted that. The third way to invite lots of people to your event is to click the share and the invite button. Now, one way to do it is to go through manually and click off the names, the boxes to the left of the names of people who you think would be interested in the event. That's absolutely one way to do it, but that can be a little time consuming, especially if you're on mobile. It's a little bit better when you're on a computer. It goes a little bit faster. But if you're on your phone and on your computer, probably the quickest way to invite people to this event is to figure out people by several different ways, like location, current company, schools that you share, in industry. But let's just say you work at Pfizer. You can click everyone that works at Pfizer. You click show results, and then you select the checkbox next to the filters at the top left hand of the screen, and that will select everybody that goes to Pfizer. So that's one way. And then, of course, click the invite button in the bottom right hand corner when you're done with that. Another way that would probably be helpful is either inviting people by school or by industry. So let's just say you have a lot of people in manufacturing, chemical manufacturing, or other maybe professional services that would be interested in this talk. Go ahead and select those. You can also search for other industries as well, but the ones that show up here are going to be the ones that you're most connected with in your network. Click show results, and then select the box at the top left-hand screen of all the people who might be interested, and then make sure to hit invite at the end there, at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. And probably a bonus way to invite people is if you can get your company to make some sort of announcement on their website or email list. That would be ideal to get the word out there, but obviously not necessary. Just posting it and promoting it on LinkedIn will go a long way to making sure that people show up at this event and you spread the word about the amazing things that you are talking about. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Nikki or Allie, or you can message them on the Automation Ladies company page, and they will get back to you as soon as they can. Happy eventing.